Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to play on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you'll get this kind of results. Now from this, click on the first link, then it will ask you to select your location. So select your location from this list, and then it will take you to its homepage. Now once you're on the homepage, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this button where it says register, and if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your login credentials, and once you enter those, you can click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link where it says forgot your password to recover it. Now click on this login button and you'll be logged into your account. Now once you are logged in, first of all, you'll have to deposit some amount into your account. Click on this deposit button at top right corner, then deposit some amount into your account. Once you do so, you can select any sports. For example, I'll just select NBA, and then you can choose any match from this list. Once you have selected one of those, you can click on the odds that you want to place bet on. For example, once you select your odd, it will show your bet slip on the right hand side. Now to place bet, all you have to do is click on this box, then enter your stake. Once you have entered your stake, click on this button to place a bet. As it says insufficient fund, $10 needed to place your bets. Since I have no money in my account, I can't place bet, but after you deposit some amount, you can place your bet. And if you win your bet, the amount will come in your account. To see it, you'll have to click on your profile at the top right corner. Then it will show the amount in this section. And if you want to cash out, all you have to do is click on this withdraw button and then enter your bank details to withdraw. So that's how you play on BetMGM. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.